Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to the world of multiplication. Multiplication is one of the fundamental operations in mathematics, along with addition, subtraction, and division. It allows us to find the total number of items in equal groups. For example, if you have 4 bags with 3 apples in each bag, multiplication helps you quickly find out how many apples there are in total without having to add 3 repeatedly. Let's dive into how to solve multiplication problems step by step. Steps to solve a multiplication problem. Number 1, understand the problem. Begin by identifying the numbers you need to multiply. In multiplication, we refer to the numbers being multiplied as factors. For example, in the problem 4 times 3, the factors are 4 and 3. Number 2, set up the equation. Write the multiplication equation. For example, 4 times 3. Number 3, visual representation, which is optional. However, sometimes it helps to visualize the multiplication. You can draw groups or use arrays. For 4 times 3, you can think of it as 4 groups of 3, such as group 1, which shows 3 green dots. Group 2 also shows 3 green dots. Group 3 also shows 3 green dots. And lastly, group 4 shows 3 green dots. Number 4, perform the multiplication. Multiply the two numbers. You can do this in various ways. Repeated addition. Add the first number to itself as many times as indicated by the second number. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. However, you can also use the standard algorithm. If you're dealing with larger numbers, you might use the standard multiplication algorithm. For example, multiplying 12 by 4. Step 1. Multiply 4 by 2, the ones place of 12. 4 times 2 equals 8. Step 2. Multiply 4 by 1, the tens place of 12. 4 times 1 equals 4. But remember, since 1 is in the tens place, meaning it represents 10, you actually multiply 4 by 10 to get 40. Number 3, add the results together. 40 plus 8 equals 48. Write down the answer. Finally, write down the solution clearly. For 4 times 3, the answer is 4 times 3 equals 12. Let's solve another example. 5 times 6. Number 1. Identify the factors, 5 and 6. Set up the equation, 5 times 6 items. Number 3. Visualize. Think of 5 groups of 6 items. Number 4. Calculate. Repeated addition, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 30. A standard algorithm, multiply 6 by 5. 6 times 5 equals 30. Number 5, check your work. 30 divided by 5 equals 6, and 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Number 6, write down the answer. 5 times 6 equals 30. In conclusion, multiplication is a powerful tool that simplifies calculations and helps us understand relationships between numbers. With practice, you'll become more proficient and confident in solving multiplication problems. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriversstore@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.